Prop firms have blown up in 2025. Instead of risking your own big capital, you can trade their money, scale fast, and cash out. But let's be real, not all firms are worth your time. Some are solid, others are straight headaches. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 futures prop firms right now. Before that, a quick refresher on how prop firms work. Here's why traders are jumping on prop firms instead of grinding away with just their own tiny accounts. With a traditional account, maybe you're trading $5,000. Every trade feels like it's make or break, and blowing up means your own savings take the hit. Compare that to a prop firm account. Now you're working with serious firepower. $50,000, $100,000, even $150,000, without putting your personal stash on the line. You trade the firm's capital, keep risk off your own savings, and if you play by the rules, you keep 80 to 90% of the profits. Pretty sweet deal, right? But remember, there is always a catch: strict rules. You've got to follow every risk limit, consistency rule, and payout policy down to the letter. Slip up, and you're out. End of the day, prop trading is all about more capital, less personal risk. That's why smart traders go prop. So here's how I rank these firms. I kept it simple but fair. First, cost. Cheap evals are great, but if the rules are trash, it doesn't matter. Then risk rules. Trailing versus end of day makes a huge difference. Payouts and scaling? Critical. Nobody wants to wait 30 days for their first withdrawal. Platforms matter too if you hate Rhythmic or love TradingView. That's a deal breaker. And finally, support and reputation. Will they actually pay you, and can you trust them long term? Now, if you want to see how these firms stack up side by side, I've already built a full comparison chart on rankpropfirms.com. Fees, drawdown, payouts, promo codes, it's all there in one place. Kicking off the list at number 5, we've got Bulenox. Perfect for getting funded on a budget. Evaluations are cheap, and the end-of-day drawdown gives you room to breathe versus trailing drawdown. There's no trade minimums in the eval, and you're not forced into a scaling plan. The consistency rule isn't too harsh. Just watch that 40% cap if you're funded. But you're limited to 3 master accounts at once, and activation fees after passing are steep, so check that cost. First payout lands after 10 trading days and then goes weekly. Support is decent, but there's no live chat, so don't expect instant responses. If you want straightforward funding with low upfront cost, Bulenox gets it done, with a few post-funding hoops. Use promo code FUNDME to get up to 91% off. FFN grabs the number 4 spot as the new kid with a super simple one-phase eval, no hidden headaches. EOD Drawdown gives you breathing room, no daily loss limits to worry about, and fast withdrawals with solid profit splits. The support team and Discord are rock solid, but you're stuck with their own platform. No NinjaTrader or TradingView. Fees add up fast for smaller accounts, and that strict drawdown/consistency rule isn't for the faint of heart. Quick payouts, but the long-term reliability still needs to be proven. Use promo code FUNDME to get the best deal. At number 3, Apex Trader Funding. They're still the king of cheap evals. With those 80% off codes, you can start for next to nothing. Wide platform support, no minimum trading days, up to 20 accounts per trader, and one of the best profit splits out there. But here's the reality. In 2025, Apex has gotten messy. Traders report accounts shut down after just 2 or 3 payouts, steep activation fees, and payout denials. On top of that, rules keep changing with surprise restrictions and a tough consistency rule. So yeah, Apex is great for cheap, fast access. But when it comes to reliability, they've slipped hard this year. At number 2, My Funded Futures. Pricing is fair, they use end-of-day drawdown, no activation fees, and you keep 90% of profits. Best part? Payout reliability has been solid, which sets them apart from some rivals. Now the cons? Platforms are limited to mostly Rhythmic and NinjaTrader. Daily loss limits can feel strict. First payout takes 14 days, and the 50% consistency rule applies in evaluation. Overall, MFF is one of the stronger, more balanced firms in 2025. a reliable step up from the budget picks. At number 1, we've got Topstep. With over a decade in the game, they're still the most trusted futures prop firm. Evals are fair, profit split is clear, 100% on your first 10,000, then 90 to 10, and payouts are fast and verified, usually in a day or two. Rules are consistent with end-of-day drawdown, and they back it up with strong education and community support. The trade-offs? Higher fees, strict drawdown, more conservative scaling, only 5 accounts allowed, locked platforms, and no coupon discounts on evals. But when it comes to reliability, payouts, and proven history, Topstep still sets the standard in 2025. Alright, so here's the wrap-up. If you're looking for long-term trust in a prop firm that's been tested for years, Topstep's your go-to. My Funded Futures is a solid, balanced option, newer but reliable. If you just want cheap and fast, Apex still takes that crown, but reliability's been shaky. FFN is blazing quick on payouts, and if you're just hunting for the lowest cost entry, Bulenox will get you in the door. Bottom line, match the firm to your style. Don't just chase the cheapest eval or the flashiest promo. Trade smart, pick the firm that fits you, and make sure you check the coupon codes in the description and pinned comment so you don't overpay.
Your next step? Head over to rankpropfirms.com. Check out the side-by-side comparison and grab those promo codes before you jump into your next challenge. And if this video saved you some time or money, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next.